Hi and welcome to Khatta Meeta Stories. Today let's try two easy sandwich recipes which we can enjoy any time of the day whenever hunger pang hits you. Shred 2 boiled eggs, add salt and pepper powder to taste and 2 teaspoon mayonnaise. Mix well. You may add more mayonnaise if you wish. Add chili flakes and or oregano and mix again. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Spread the mixture onto the bread. This mixture would suffice for at least 4 sandwiches. Here I have removed the crust of the bread. Add 1 tablespoon oil onto a pan. Add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and saute. Add a pinch of ginger and garlic paste. Mix well. Now add minced chicken and stir till cooked. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Add salt, pepper powder, oregano and chili flakes to taste. Add 2 tablespoons tomato sauce and stir well over low flame. Finally, add chopped capsicum and 1 tablespoon butter and mix well to complete your sandwich spread. Apply butter onto the bread and spread the mix. You may add mozzarella cheese if you desire. Heat the bread till golden brown. Enjoy the sandwich with your coffee or tea.